Hello and welcome everyone to this video on implementing event handlers by ZaranTech. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
Hello everyone and welcome to this detailed guide on implementing event handlers in Web Dynpro. Today we will explore how to effectively manage user interaction and dynamic behavior in Web Dynpro application using event handlers. Event handlers are crucial for making your application interactive and responsive. They allow you to respond to user action like when you click, when you select, or when other user gives some input, ensuring a smooth and dynamic user experience. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about implementing event handlers in Web Dynpro. We will start with an overview of event handler concept and its importance in application design. First, we will go through the steps of creating event handler. You will learn how to define events in your views and write a corresponding event handler method and link them to a UI element. Next, we will show how to assign action to interactive elements like button and input fields. You will see how these elements to specific event handlers to trigger the desired behavior. We also cover handle of different type of event such as click event, selection event, and input validation. This will include a practical example and illustration how to manage these interaction effectively. So you have to go to your SCAT transaction in your app in your SAP GUI. Here I will go and create a new application. In this, I will give the window name as w_main and view name is v_main. And I will create the application. I will store it in a local object. I will activate it. So events are the specific movements happen when we click on something. Means when when we click on some button or when we select something, then we need at that time that something or some action to be happened. So that is called event handling, and the at the moment on which you want to trigger something is called the event. So what I will do, I will firstly open this in a change mode, and here I will go and I will click on insert element. I will insert a button because mostly we click on button and we want something to happen after clicking the button. So you can choose what type of action you want to happen. So in button, in text field, what I will do, I will give, I want give message. Give message. So this is the name of the button. In on action, I will go and create an action which is button click. See, this is in a blue color, means we have created an on action successfully. What I will do, I will also create application for this Web Dynpro component to show you parallelly in browser how it will be looking and how it will be appearing. I will save it in a local object. I will copy this URL. I will go to browser and paste it. I need to log in again. So this is how our application look now. If you click on this give message, there is nothing happening. So I will assign some action to it, means something to that. So we have created on action method. That is, I will show you. See, we have created an on action that is button click. And if I will go to method, see a method type is showing as event handler. If I will be able to drag it, see method type of this method, that is on action event click. On action is the prefix which is added to our button click event which we have created. So this is an event handler. So I will go here and I will perform some logic. What I will do, I will go to WebDyn code wizard. I will go to general. Here I will use create message. And in this method, I will go here. I will choose a method. Let me choose a method from here. A report error, report, remove message. Okay, I'm not getting the message of success which we get from here. Report success. Okay, if I am not able to find it, Yeah, here it is report success. So in this, what I will do, I will comment this part because we do not need it here. In this message text, I will give button event is handled. So clicking of button is an event, and this method is called when we when the event is triggered. So okay, there is some error in this. What I will do, we need to see. Okay, this line is commented. That's why last line. I will activate it again, and I will go to our application. I will refresh it. So see, clicking of button is an event. So as soon as we click on the button, see a a message has been appeared. Button event is handled. So this is an event handler. You can perform any actions. We have already handled multiple events, and we have also performed multiple logics on click of button. So you can do anything according to your requirement. I have given you a simple example. So what another thing is that if you want to handle event on some input field, for input field we have to create context. Let's create a context node. Let it be ZAY tab. Sorry. Let's select ZAY tab, and here I will select add attribute from structure. I will select student ID here. I will refresh it because input field needs some data. Means it should be binded to some context. That's why we need to create context here. Insert element. I will give input, and here I will choose input field. Okay, there's some space in front of this. So input field has been created, and what I was saying is that I will show you here. So it should be binded with some value. If we will not bind it with some value, we will be getting some error. So let's save it and activate it. I'm not giving label or something to this. What we want that on enter, when we enter on this input field, then some event should be triggered. So on enter, I will choose, and here I will create an event on enter. So on enter event has been created. Here I will go and I will again I will again show you message. We'll again call a message. What I will do this time, different event. So on enter event is handled. So this is the event. Let's go and activate it. Let's go to our browser and refresh it. So yeah, this is our input field, and as soon as I will press enter, on event enter has been handled is showing here. Let me see on screen keyboard. I will show you with the help of on screen keyboard for your verification. So let me refresh it again. Our application has been refreshed, and see, I will press enter here, and see on enter event is handled. So I have shown you two types of event handling in this video. One is of button and one is of input field. There is a multiple like every UI element has some events associated in the property. You can go in event section in the property of that UI element, and you can see what kind of events can be used for that input field. I've used on enter. You can also perform some event on table paste on value suggest according to your requirement. So this is only in this video I've shown you two types of event handling. You can perform many with your learning. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.